So what I want to show you in this video is, for me, what is the ultimate homemade fakeaway burger. Now in this video I'm going to be using lamb mince, but I have also tried it with pork mince and chicken mince and beef mince, and to be honest they all work really well. So I've only recently found this recipe, actually found it on TikTok, and to be honest I was most happy, as doner kebab is definitely one of the more harder things to make as a fakeaway. So I was keen to test it out as soon as I found it. Now herbs and spices wise, I've been mucking about and experimenting, and this version you'll see here was also an experiment, and it was the first time I tried using this shawarma mix from Sainsbury's actually. I've used here is 700 grams of lamb. Now lamb is the most calorific version of all the ones I've tried so far, and it is the most expensive, but what I've found is that 700 grams makes about 4 decent sized portions for the freezer. There's other versions of this that involve using things like turmeric and cumin and more chili stuff, but for reasons why you'll see later, it's not so important for me to put the chili in this. Now you'd probably get a better mix if you actually put that into some kind of food processor as well. You need one piece of baking paper for each different kebab thing you're going to make up. All you do, you put a quarter of the mix onto the paper like this, and then using your hands you basically start to get it to shape. Then when you're nearly there, take your rolling pin out and give it a good squashing. Now the good thing about these homemade ones is that you can make it as thick or as thin as you want to. Now comes the important bit. Basically, you need to fold it in lines like this. On each fold, you can push the mince out to the sides to really maximise the amount of space you've got. It also helps to keep it thinner as well. Then, once you've done this, repeat. Again, again, and again. Then, once you're all done, put in the oven, probably in total for about 25 minutes on 200 degrees fan assist. I checked it after 10 minutes just to make sure it's cooking all okay. Now this is my homemade kebab chili sauce. Need to give it a good old blitz, and then once it's all done and looking perfect, spoon it out into your handy kebab chili sauce containers. Yes, you can see how many kebabs I've had in the past, but these you can freeze and basically take them out. Now this is the secret of my ultimate burger. Yes, it is an egg kebab doner burger. 25 minutes later, we're done. And as you can can see here, they have cooked really well. Now if you want all your kebab meat to look like that, then simply take it out the baking paper and put it back in the oven. But for me, I quite like it like this. Now on for the rest of the ingredients. Oh, here we go now. We are building it up nicely. Now I say that might not look like much, but actually it is surprisingly filling, and that's just one of those 4. And now it's time to create the masterpiece. Can't have a kebab without chili sauce. And there you go, one awesome, ultimate, homemade doner kebab burger with chili sauce. And the proof? Well, that's in the tasting. And that is spot on. And as for the rest, well, put them in containers, and then you can leave them in the freezer and take them out as you need it. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you enjoyed making your own.